Cheers.
Akiaria na andiki a mohoro, Matiang'i augite ni makoretwo na miario na Prime Minister wa Qatar na kuria ningi mathiete nambere na gubanga uria maabithaa a Kenya magateithiriria kuiga ugitiri hingo ya mbitika cia World Cup mwaka ukite.
We agreed with my Qatar counterpart, His Excellency Sheikh Khalid bin Khalifa bin Abdulaziz Al Thani, the Prime Minister and Minister of Interior of Qatar, that Kenya could provide security personnel to support this Supreme Committee on Delivery and Legacy of Qatar in the providing security services during the 2022 FIFA World Cup in Qatar.
Makiria ma Kenya 37 niyo mari bururi-ini wa Qatar mawira matiganite aria ni hamwe na aria maranyita itemi uthondeki-ini wa iharo makiria ma 8 iria cigathakirwo.
We are acutely aware and grateful to the fact that Qatar hosts 37,000 Kenyans. Let us do a better job of ensuring that the structures that enable our young citizens to live and work in the state of Qatar are secure, affirm human dignity and their legal rights.
Mbitika ici na iria cikambĩrĩria mweri wa 11 mwaka ukite, Harambee Stars ya Kenya ni maragire mweke ni thutha wa guikio nja mbĩtĩka-inĩ cia makundi cia gwetha tigiti uyu. Andũ-inĩ a Kameme TV njĩtagwo Kuria wa Gĩcimo.